welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I had a lot of family things going on, so I took a little hiatus, caught up on homework and all that, but I am back and I've been doing a lot of things. I don't know if you've been watching my Instagram or anything like that, but I am launching my own business. I am starting to go back and doing makeup on other people, so I've been getting things like that ready as well. As you see, I made a big jump and I dyed my hair actually just yesterday. So I've been doing a lot of things. It's not that I just been avoiding, I just have had a lot going on, and I wanted to come on here because me and husband are going on a date, and so I just wanted to film and get ready with me. But yeah, I'm not gonna be doing too much talking through this video because I got some things I have to do today, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. But yeah, I've had a lot going on, a lot going on. So, and getting this ready together up here. I am going to do a separate video on what I have in my makeup kit and decorations and things like that. I did film kind of sort of like a decoration video, but I didn't really like how it turned out or anything. So yeah, that's that. But I'm going to go ahead and get started on my brows, and yeah. So the primer I've been using lately is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is just something that I had. I don't know how long I've had it, but I remember, I think I was sent this by Influencer a while ago. But yeah, that's just what I've been using lately. So I'm just gonna do a nice simple eye. I'm not gonna go in with anything over the top. I'm just going on a afternoon date. So I'm going to go put my clothes on and stuff before I put on my lashes and everything else. And then I'll show you guys the rest of the finished look. Okay. Y'all, these lashes I bought from Amazon in a 10-pack. Man, these are nice. And I think they're around like $6 or $7. These are okay, glam, so this is the finished look for the Get Ready With Me. And like I said, I wasn't really going to talk through this video, and I did try this new elf concealer too, the hydration one, the hydrating camo concealer. I did try that, so so far I like that too, and the big doe foot that it comes with, I did like that. But this is the finished look. Like I stated, I do have a couple of things I'm waiting on before I show you my makeup kit. Starting, I did say June 1st, but I think starting in May, I will be launching Gorgeous Glam and More as far as my makeup goes. So be on the lookout for that, and I will let you guys know I am doing that launch for sure. The for sure day, I'll come back and let you guys know. But like I said, this is the finished look. Thank you for working with me and being patient with me, because it is a lot. Like I said, I had death in the family, so I took a hiatus for a minute just to get back on track with everything in school and the baby and my husband and all that. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. If you watch to the end, type in Gorge Gang in the comment section. And also, once we hit 200 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, so be on the lookout for that too. So thank you again, and bye.